Billie Eilish is grieving the death of her dog, Pepper. In an Instagram tribute on Sunday, the Grammy winner announced the death of her lifelong best friend. She writing, "I will see you again someday, sweet girl. You made it 15 years. I love you. Rest easy, mama. I'll miss you forever. This is a really hard day." The carousel photos show the Was I Made for singer growing up with Pepper, as she developed from a puppy into a dog. This included photos of Eilish embracing Pepper with a smile, alongside sadder images of the singer in tears while hugging her. Eilish also included a sweet family portrait of her dad, mom, and brother. Finney is smiling at the camera with a black spot painted around their right eyes to mirror the one on Pepper's face.
Yeah. Wow. She's been doing this for 3 years.
He's trying to Good, wear him out, maybe.